Playing on the background is Mr. Larry Heads, Fingers Menwana with the master setup, and this is what we're having here. A bit later on, after 10:30, my boy Motik Duza will be coming in also, man, just to have a chit chat. Otherwise, I'm chilling with KKD, Koketso Distroyer. Hola, buddy.
Sure, Marvin.
How's it, ba?
Sharp.
Yeah, man. How was the travel, man?
It was a long distance, but we arrived here.
Yeah, man. Where you come from?
I'm coming from Lodium.
Lodium, ne?
Yeah.
I'm na Lodium ke ka slama kula tsamana. Why wanna you ain't Indian and unna ko Lodium?
My brother, it's Batswadi.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But what kind of vibe is there ko Lodium? Or like?
It's a small vibe, not that much.
Yeah.
I wanna go to Peli.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25K is our Peli Kenya.
Yeah.
Otherwise, KKD, man, tell us, man, what brings you here tonight?
Yeah, I'm here on a musical journey. Ntwana nyane ya 19 years elore busy with DJ.
Yeah.
I'm learning also to produce. So yeah, there's a lot to come. 2020, there's a lot to come.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is KKD. He has prepared a mix for us. We're gonna be heading straight into it. More music, man. This is Friday the 13th. Tell us a bit more about your mix, man. What have you prepared for us this evening?
Yeah, actually it's a Nama piano mix, which contains of a lot of songs from Kabzara Small and Maporisa. It's like a groove mix.
Yeah. Let's party on, man. KKD on the ones and twos. Send through your comments. Yes, man. And questions that we can chat, man, with our live guest, the DJ mix. KKD in the house.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Strap in, you're about to